Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, let's talk about the Solana chart here on the daily time frame. Situation hasn't changed, but I think price action makes it very much necessary to be really on the side of caution. Not bearish on the Solana chart, but definitely on the side of caution. Why? So following scenarios are unfolding here. So the main idea I have, my main thesis, is that the initial rally into the 2021 highs was obviously a wave one, topped at around, $270. We had this pullback, large correction actually. We might call that a crash into the bear market lows into December 22. And now this larger degree third wave rally unfolding. Disregard those. They are not even targets. They're just mathematical projections. So what really counts is this rally to the upside. Then possibly in the next bear market, this wave two will give us targets for the next third wave rally to the upside in the next bull market. But for now, we're still in this wave one. And this is the 5-wave move we're tracking. We have been tracking since the beginning of that rally, really. And I'm still looking for another 4-5 pattern. The main idea of what I'm tracking, I'm not fully convinced by it, right? But it keeps us on our toes. The main idea is that in the yellow count, the third wave of that 5-wave move, which could eventually take us to $444 plus, that this third wave topped recently at on the 18th of March at around $208. This here is a wave 4 correction still unfolding for various reasons. I don't need to get into them, but bear in mind a wave 4 can be a triangle, so there's still plenty of ways how this wave 4 could morph. But the main support region, there are 3 main Fibonacci levels to watch in this correction: $109, $72, and $52. Still looking at higher prices against those. Doesn't mean we have to go down to the $52 level, but it's part of the standard Fib range for a wave 4. I prefer to stay above 72, so above the 38.2 Fib level. That's the main thesis. I would disregard the white count because the white count indicates that all of this is a high B wave. This will only be confirmed below $52. That would start an early wave 2. I'm not looking for that primarily at the moment. I'm rather looking for the yellow count. But within the yellow count, be on the side of caution because this rally looks very much like a B wave rally, but it can develop into something more bullish, and that might mean that we're either still in the third wave or we're already in the fifth, which I don't prefer so much because then this wave 4 was very shallow. So I'd probably go with, okay, we have another extension in the third. So what I'll do, I'll highlight the risk that we could come down in the C wave of wave 4, but I also give you support levels on the shorter time frames on our 1-hour charts. So they keep us focused on higher prices in the short term, and then we're just watching. We keep an open mind that we could go higher. I think that's the strategically best move to do here, while being very much on the side of caution because it could be a high B wave. I think the risk is very high. But again, it's all about letting the market tell us, so we need to wait for confirmation for a break of the B wave top. Or for a B wave top, and then a break of support. Looking at the shorter time frame, this is the 1-hour chart, where this third wave probably topped, in March. This is a 4th wave to the downside. Here you can see the support area I just showed you. Yeah, and then I'm leaning towards the move to the upside here still to be a B wave. Yep, it could have topped. But again, that's all about knowing what other support levels. So as long as $147 support is holding, I'm still looking for higher. And in the very short term, it's possible that we are obviously in this larger B wave rally. The B wave is an ABC structure. We probably started the C wave here early in May. We topped in a wave 1 already. C waves are always 5-wave movements. We bottomed in wave 2. We're now in wave 3. And this C wave is an ending diagonal. So also the third wave is an ABC structure. Discussing about all these patterns now is probably beyond the scope of this video, but it's in an ending diagonal. The subwaves are ABC patterns. So the B wave might have bottomed here on the 26th of May. So as long as that low is holding this really short-term support at around $161, we could take the view that the C wave to the upside has started, and we are now obviously in we are now obviously in the C wave. Well, it's the C wave of wave 3. Yeah. So, and then this would be a 5-wave move as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To keep it very simple, all these labels do, they just give us invalidation points, key support levels. So the key level is $161. As long as we're holding above it, the focus can be on higher. Below that, 155 and 147 are the next key supports. Below 147, I have to assume a larger degree B wave top has has formed. Okay, so yeah, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.